Right, here we have the Rainforest Georgia cage, which I bought for my two littles. There's Bumble. No Skittles, no Skittles. It has very secure door locks. No way you'd get them open from the inside. I can't get the bowls out. I've been dunking food, look. Only accessible from the outside, so no spilt water or tipped food. Good secure door lock. Again, I doubt they'd get that off from the inside. Like the deepness of the tray. It's a good 6 inch, so no legs stretching through to pull up the dirty paper. A lovely width. Let me step back. Nice and wide. Probably as equally wide as it is tall, which is unusual because most like tall and slimmer. It's not too deep, so it don't look blocky. Recommended for medium birds, but the wall space is fine for the 2 cakes. Hello. Hello. It does have an open top as well. I could lift it up, but I won't be using that. It's going to play on the top. All in all, so pleased with it.